Finally, Yugoslavia বিরুদ্ধে ভারতীয় দলের fight, and all of us remember that between 1952 and 1962 happens to be the golden era of Indian football. Amit Sharma, Joy Sengupta, and Rudra Ghosh. Can we have 4 chairs, please? From then to now, from Shakti Shamanta days as assistant to Boni Kapoor the legend, it's an oeuvre of work that speaks for itself. Some of the greatest stories of Indian cinema. Where is Maidan? How important is Maidan? Talk to me about the making of Maidan to finally the release of Maidan and the premiere being in Kolkata. Boni Kapoor.
That's a long question. So be prepared for a very, very long answer. Since you've asked me the beginning of my journey as a student of cinema, I would say, I would start that way because I was learning while I was assistant to Shakti-da, and amongst the first outdoor I attended was in Calcutta, as it was known those days. In fact, I've been here twice with Shakti-da. Once for Anurod, he went up to Darjeeling, we shot in Calcutta, and the second time for Anantasha. So, Calcutta has been very, very close to me. My journey started here, my professional journey started here. Although I was an assistant editor in Bombay to learn the craft of film editing. After that, I was with Shakti-da for 2.5 years, and that's when I came for the first time to Calcutta. I've got lovely memories of those days. I was beaten up in Darjeeling by a few fans of Rajesh Khanna because they all wanted to crowd him, meet him, shake his hands, and he was in a rush to leave for the airport. And I, being the most, I wouldn't call myself efficient assistant, but probably the tallest guy in the unit, and I seemed to be stronger person. That's the reason the unit thought I would be able to have Rajesh Khanna protected. Well, I did that. I managed to pack him in the car, and the car left. Soon after that, this was in Oberoi Mount Everest. There's a hotel called Oberoi Mount Everest. That was the last day of shoot. Came down. And the same group of boys, they were probably still waiting for me to come out of our hotel. I came out in a rush because I wanted to take the corner seat of the Jonga. Those days, Bagdogra to Darjeeling was a Jonga ride. I was sitting on the side. Driver was there, of course, and the other members were coming. We all were waiting, and this bunch of people by then probably must have had, I guess they must have had a few drinks. They came down, came close to me, and started saying things which I couldn't understand, but I could understand the bad words. And one of them touched me. Kya samajhta apne aap ko? They were of that region, so more than Bangladesh, thought I would understand Hindi more. So they touched me, they were pushing me, and I said, listen, whatever you go to talk from a distance, don't touch me. Again they came up to me, kya karega? So the Pathan in me, the Punjabi in me got provoked. I got out of the car, and they started running. I was chasing them, and those days there were tracks of they have this meter gauge train there. And the tracks were on the road. My brother Anil had just returned from England, and he had got me some good shoes with bigger heels than the normal heels. As it is, I was tall, and those shoes I was very fond of wearing because that made me look even taller. I didn't realize those shoes would be a handicap. I tripped while I was chasing them and fell down on the road. Have you ever seen? If you get a chance, see this film, Mera Gaon Mera Desh. एक बार एक कैरेक्टर नीचे गिरता है और सब जितने डेकॉइट्स थे अपनी बेड लेके और जो उनके हाथ में हथियार लेके सब गोल गोल घूम रहे थे। मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ। मैं नीचे जमीन पे लेटा हुआ था और सब गोल गोल घूम रहे थे। एक आदमी ने मेरा कॉलर उठाया, मेरे को आगे किया। दूसरे आदमी के हाथ में नक्कड़ डस्टर था। मतलब मुझे देख के लगा मैं कहाँ आ गया। And they hit me on my nose, and my nose started bleeding. I was calling for help, and there was no help around. Finally, when they got tired of beating me up, they left me again down on the road. I walked up to the car with my nose bleeding, sat in the car, the others came in, and I had to sit this way. Halfway through the journey from Darjeeling to Bagdogra, the driver fell ill. So driver fell ill, nobody else could drive the car. They asked me to drive the car. I said, I am injured. How do you want to drive the car? Well, I had no choice. I took over the Jamla. And I was driving like this, hoping that I don't miss out any curves, because it's a very curvy road if any of you have traveled by road to Darjeeling. So that was my first experience of how good a journey it would be finally. Whatever. And we were supposed to start shooting that day. And nobody imagined that lockdown would continue for such a long time. I think the first lockdown continued for about 6-7 months till November. Then there was a break in between November and December. We started shooting again, players were called. I mean, the players left in May thinking that lockdown would be over in 15-20 days. When the lockdown wasn't over, we had to send them back. They were called again in November, December. We shot for 10-12 days, and in our crew, about 12 people were affected by COVID. We had to pack up the shooting. Again, everybody went back. Lockdown again. After that came the cyclone. Sets were demolished. Well, again, we rebuilt the set. Everybody was called back. Again, a lockdown. Yeah, finally, we managed to complete the shooting sometime in 22. After that, they went to Bangkok to take all the other shots and all that.
So, you just spoke about the detailing of shooting, as in what you saw in the shots. One thing was very clear in my head that, football should be shot in a way that people need to enjoy when they watch a game on television. The frenzy, you see the fun, and I didn't want to shoot football in a way that actors के साथ में shoot करते हैं जिनको football नहीं खेलना आता. They just come. So for us, the easiest thing is that we shoot close up of the foot, which is somebody else is playing. Then close up of the face, that is the actor, and then the wide shot running with the football with the actor. I said I didn't want to shoot like this. The stadiums should turn, the theatres should turn into stadiums. That should be the feel when we are watching the football in the.
Are you a football fan?
I was not.
He's become.
I did not know anything about football. Frankly, when Boris called me one day and he said, "You're making this film," and I had only heard the story of Syed Abdul Rahim Sahab from the writers, and I had tears in my eyes. At that time, I did not think about football, that how will I shoot football. But I got close to the emotional journey of this man called Syed Abdul Rahim. So then I started, researching of my own that, how do I create Syed Abdul Rahim? How do we reach to Syed Abdul Rahim? So we got in touch with P.K. Banerjee sir, Balaram sir, Franco sir, Chuni Goswami sir, Arun Ghosh sir, and of course his own son Hakim sahab. And the kind of information, more than information, it was the emotion, what I saw in their eyes. That whole thing that, when we started talking about Rahim Sahab to them, and when they started telling us the stories of that time, they had tears in their eyes. Unki aankhon mein aansu aa gaye, and they started crying that they miss their coach till now. At the age of 82, 83, they still had tears. So this whole film is actually emotion. I just tried to get emotion to the people of what all these players felt for Rahim Sahab, and who this Syed Abdul Rahim was, what he did for the country, what he did for football, who got us glory in 1962.
It touched hearts. That's what it is about. একটু আগে প্রেমিয়ারে অরুণ ঘোষ ছিলেন, আজকে অরুণ ঘোষ কথা বলতে পারছেন না, হাঁটতে পারছেন না। আমি গিয়ে তাকে জিজ্ঞেস করলাম 1962 নিয়ে কিছু মনে আছে আপনার? And he said ওনার মেয়ে ছিলেন সাথে, তিনি প্রম্পট করে দিচ্ছিলেন, উনি বললেন আমরা জিততে চেয়েছিলাম। আর কিছু বলার দরকার নেই, তাই না? আমরা জিততে চেয়েছিলাম 1962 ওই পটভূমিকায় আমরা জিততে চেয়েছিলাম। জয় বাংলা। হোয়াট ডাজ দিস মিন টু ইউ বিফোর আই গো টু রুদ্রনীল?
নমস্কার, আমি যেটা বলবো সেটা আমি অমিতের থেকে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ধার নিচ্ছি। এই ফিল্মটা এটা ফিল্ম না, এটা ফর আস এটা একটা ইমোশন। আই থিঙ্ক ফুটবল ইটসেলফ ইজ ইমোশন। আমাদের কাছে ময়দান ইজ দ্যাট ইমোশন আর মোর। খুব চেষ্টা করেছি এটাতে একদম ট্রু থাকতে। এইটাতে স্টোরিতে কোনো আমাদের ক্রিয়েটিভ লিবার্টি নিতে হয়নি। আমরা পুরো স্টোরিটা ইজ সাচ দ্যাট এভরি পয়েন্ট দেয়ার সো মেনি টুইস্ট অ্যান্ড টার্নস দ্যাট মানে এটা যে ট্রু স্টোরি না শুনলে পারে না, দেখলে বা না পড়লে এটা বিশ্বাস করা যায় না। তো ইয়া, ফর মি দিস ফিল্ম ইজ অ্যান ইমোশন, ইজ নট আ ফিল্ম। ময়দান ইজ অ্যান ইমোশন।
আমাকে এই হিস্টোরিক যে জার্নিটা রয়েছে, যে ইতিহাসটা এত ইম্পর্টেন্ট একটা হিস্ট্রি, সেটা আমাদের কাছে ঠিক করে এসে পৌঁছয়। আমার মনে হয় যে এই সিনেমাটা শুধু সিনেমা হয়ে থাকবে না। আমি বিলিভ করি যে যখন ভারতবাসী সিনেমা হলে ঢুকবে, চোখের জল মুছতে মুছতে বেরোবে যে একটা মানুষ, এই সিনেমা একটা ডায়লগ ছিল, एक आदमी एक अकेला आदमी कैसे ये कर सकता है। আর তার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে যারা প্লেয়ার্স ছিলেন তারা কিভাবে পরিশ্রম করেছেন সবটাই কি বলবো, ফুটবল বললে ছোট করে দেওয়া হয় পরিসরটা। ইমোশন, দেশকে ভালোবাসা এবং তার সঙ্গে ড্রামা এবং বাধা। ড্রামাগুলো বোধহয় তখনই তৈরি হয় যখন আমরা বাধাকে কাটিয়ে যাই। তো এমন একটা ফিল্মে আমাকে কাস্ট করবার জন্য আমি পুরো টিম যারা রয়েছেন ময়দানে প্রত্যেকের কাছে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাই এবং যাদের সঙ্গে কাজ করতে পেরেছি।
এটা বলে দিই, ভারতীয় স্পোর্ট একটা বড় ম্যাপ ভাবুন, চোখটা বন্ধ করে একটা বড় ক্যানভাস ভাবুন। আমি যদি এই ক্যানভাসে ভারতীয় স্পোর্টের 10টা মোমেন্ট টিক করতে চেষ্টা করি, আর আমি অ্যাক্রস স্পোর্ট বলছি, I will not restrict myself to either cricket or football or hockey. Okay? I will give you across sport 10 momentous landmarks in the history of Indian sport. Which is the first one? The first one happens to be 1928, 32 and 36 in hockey. Has to be. কারণ 28 গোল্ড, 32 গোল্ড, 36 গোল্ড, ধ্যানচাঁদ। খালি পায়ে হকি জার্মানিকে 8-0 বলে হারানো 1936 বার্লিন অলিম্পিক্স, বক্স টিক। তারপরেরটা কি? তারপরেরটা হ্যাজ টু বি 1948 আবার হকি। ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্সের পরের বছর ইংল্যান্ডকে হারানো একটা সিনেমা হয়েছে সেই, রাইট? আমরা যদি এইভাবে এগোতে থাকি, এইভাবে এগিয়ে 1983 ক্রিকেট আসবে, 98 এই রিসেন্ট কালে 2011 ক্রিকেট ওয়ার্ল্ড কাপ আসবে, IPL আসবে, আমাদের ধরে নিই নীরজ চোপড়ার গোল্ড মেডেল আসবে, এরকমভাবে প্রকাশ পাড়ুকরের অল ইংল্যান্ড 1981, এরকমভাবে যদি আমি 10টা মোমেন্ট, অনেকগুলো লাস্ট যদি আমি বলি 2021 নীরজ চোপড়ার গোল্ড ক্লাইম্যাক্স, মাঝখানে সিন্ধু, মেরি, বক্সিং এটসেট্রা। এই ল্যান্ডস্কেপটা কিন্তু দ্য বেস্ট এভার, রাইট? এই ল্যান্ডস্কেপে কিন্তু 1962 আসবে বিকজ ইটস আ ফরগটন স্টোরি। These people are trying to resuscitate that story from the dead into public imagination once more, and that's their contribution. When you understand what is sport, sport is salve for a troubled nation. Sport inspires, sport ignites, sport propels us to think that there is one idea of India which is a secular India. Abdul Rahim and P.K. Banerjee and Chuni Goswami in one frame. Not the toxic India that you see at 9 p.m. TV, but an India of our dreams. And that's why this film is close to me. Well done Amit, Boniji, Joy, Rudronil and everybody. On that note, can we have the behind the scenes please? Not bad.
দেখতেই হবে।
সবাই দেখবো আমরা। Yes, ma'am. দাঁড়ান। আপনি তারপর উনি। Yes, yes. Microphone there. There's a question.
Hello.
And then we'll come to you.
Hi, Boni sir. Here. So my name is Auditro, big fan of your work. I've been watching your films. I've seen all your films, starting from Hum Panch to Wo Saath Din, even the films you have made in Telugu and Tamil also. Sir, so around 11 years back, you said in an interview that you're going to produce a Bengali film that was supposed to be a remake of No Entry with Jeet, but it never got made. So you have covered almost every industry. So are you planning to do something in Bengali?
Well, No Entry was made in Bengali with Jeet, although I didn't produce it.
No, Jeet was not there. Rudrada was there.
I think it was Jeet too.
Kelor Kirti Rudrada.
Well, I'm not too sure. I think Moni had bought the rights and he made the film in Bengali. But I've been part of a Bengali film as a joint partner. It was with Tapas. It was the remake of Beta, long back. So that was jointly produced by me and my friends, Ashok Kataria, Indra Kumar, we all had made that. And Nitish Roy was the director of that film. But coming back to your question, I definitely will have an independently produced Bengali film for sure.
Thank you.
I'll give you the subject. 10 years you all struggled to win the CCA. You won it this year. Documented.
सब मुझे भूलना मत हाँ
Bengal won. And you know why? Because I hosted your press conference. You remember? Same podium.